Indian police have arrested 4 youth in Poonch district. The police arrested the youth during searches and house raids in Srinagar area of the district. The youth were arrested in a fake case registered in connection with the recent blast in Narwal area of Jammu district. All Parties Hurriyat Conference leaders Khadim Hussain and Sibte Shabir Kummi have paid glowing tributes to the victims of Handwara massacre on their 33rd martyrdom anniversary. At least 21 Kashmiris were killed and dozens others were injured after Indian troops opened fire on peaceful protesters in North Kashmir's Handwara town on this day in 1990. India's Republic Day, the 26th January, has brought more miseries to the oppressed Kashmiris as Indian troops have intensified checking and frisking in Srinagar city and other parts of the territory in the name of so-called security measures. Forces personnel have set up checkpoints in every road and chalk where commuters and pedestrians are being frisked and vehicles are checked thoroughly. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe India's Republic Day, the 26th January, as Black Day tomorrow to impress upon the world to take notice of India's continued denial of right to self-determination to the Kashmiri people. Call for the observance of the Black Day has been given by the All Parties Hurriyat Conference. Commenting on the BBC documentary on 2002 anti-Muslim pogrom in the Indian state of Gujarat, which has the Modi government blocked across India, Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has said that the truth has a habit of coming out. Rahul Gandhi said while this addressing a press conference in Jammu, "You can ban, you can suppress the press, you can control the institutions, you can use the enforcement directorate and all the other stuff, but the truth is truth." Traffic movement on Srinagar-Jammu highway was halted on Wednesday morning after heavy rain in Ramban district. Shooting stones from the hillocks overlooking the highway at a couple of places between Ramban and Banihal forced suspension of the traffic.